this is a journey, and so everything is not going to be perfect. Don't beat yourself up. Just take your butt to the gym and work out. All right, here we go. I wanted to just show y'all my weight on the scale really fast. It is about 7:40 in the morning. We'll just say 155. This is what I'm breaking my fast with. It's just that almond chocolate milk. It is 8:57 right now. I'm editing some videos. It tastes like soup. Oh, drink that. Hey. So I am, if y'all have not noticed, quite an stop. What do you want, sir? Sit. Say good morning, everybody. Get down. Get down. Okay, this is what he wants to love on me this morning. Dang, all of my armpits. Say hi, everybody. Say I got my hair done yesterday. Look, you got 3 ponytails. Okay, let me try to finish the video. I'm quite unorthodox when it comes to breakfast. As you guys can tell, I don't eat your traditional breakfast, so I am eating my biryani rice with vegetables. And this is fried cauliflower. This is so good, like so good. Okay, so I'm doing 20,000 steps today because yesterday we were celebrating something that happened for Samaya. So with that being said, I ate some of this stuff last night, so I broke my fast. And then I also had like one of the ice cream bars and the rest of my popcorn. So definitely got to get those 20,000 steps in today because that's what happens sometimes when things come up that you want to celebrate. You might eat. Yeah, I just made me a smoothie. I'm not eating this today. This is for tomorrow. And really it's just kind of juice, but these are about to go in the fridge. I'm probably going to eat the rest of this rice, cauliflower, and then I have a salad underneath that. I already did the little fruit cups, so those are, all 4 of those are stacked in there. It's just grapes, strawberries, and apples. Okay, so a really good thing to note that this is a journey, and so everything is not going to be perfect. This is my second bar that I'm eating today. I say all that to say, like, don't beat yourself up. Just take your butt to the gym and work out, or make it up like some other day during the week. So like I said, today I'll probably be trying to hit like that 20K mark. Just because for some reason, I don't know, I'm just craving like sweets. So I'm about to eat the rest of this, and yeah, one day at a time. All right, Bree. Sit. Good job. Say hi, everybody. Get down. Stop dumping on me. Brody. Sit. Can you lay down? Lay down. Good job. Okay, so I am making food for Samaya. She wants tacos. This is refried beans. Now the mix that I'm adding in is my walnut and mushroom mix that pretty much just gives you like the same consistency, same taste, everything as like ground beef. So she likes her meat in with her beans. So I'm literally just mixing this all together. I added some taco seasoning. Okay, for her side, this is butternut squash. And it's crazy because before, when I tell y'all I did not used to like butternut squash, but now I just air fry it, season it, and it's bomb. So, about to go ahead and put this in the air fryer. I got a lot of stuff going on. I have eggs boiling, that'll be for the ramen. I have the butternut squash in the air fryer. I have potatoes in the oven, little hash browns for breakfast because I'm about to be meal prepping. That's the taco meat stuff. I'm about to make eggs. This is what the tacos look like. And then she's gonna put a little sour cream. Instead of sour cream, we use Greek yogurt, and then just put some salsa in it. All right, here we go. Hey, y'all know what time it is. At my favorite place. Not really, but just getting there. All right, I definitely have to get my steps in today because I don't know why, but I have been hungry. I had me one of Smy's tacos. I had a little bit of eggs. I think Mom just hungry today. So, yeah, we about to go ahead and get this walking in. I'm currently, and I have not been doing good. I've been editing videos all day. I'm only at 4,000 steps. It's like, what, 8 o'clock? So we'll see how long I can be on this treadmill for. All right, here we go. All right, still going strong, 51 minutes. Still in here walking. I don't know what she doing. I'm at 8,890 something steps. The time is 9 o'clock. So probably hit maybe like 11,000 today. Thought I was gonna get 20. I might do 20 tomorrow, but that ain't happening tonight. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Whew. 10,000 steps, baby. Woo, woo. All right, about to stop it on down.